Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make fish fillet soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh fish fillets, like cod or tilapia, cut into bite-sized pieces. Also, prepare your aromatics, a few slices of ginger, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and some chopped green onions. For the liquid base, have 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth ready, plus a teaspoon of sesame oil. Don't forget salt, white pepper, and a splash of soy sauce for seasoning. Now, let's prepare the main components. Gently marinate your fish fillets with a pinch of salt, a dash of white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This helps keep them tender. In a separate pot, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil over medium heat. Add your sliced ginger and minced garlic, sautéing them for about 30 seconds until they release their wonderful aroma. Then, pour in the 4 cups of broth and bring it to a gentle simmer, ensuring a flavorful base. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully slide the marinated fish fillets into the simmering broth. Be gentle to avoid breaking them apart. Let the fish cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until it turns opaque and flakes easily. Overcooking will make it tough. If you're adding other vegetables, like sliced mushrooms or spinach, now is the perfect time to stir them in. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, white pepper, and a small amount of soy sauce to your preference. For the finishing touches, ladle your delicious fish fillet soup into serving bowls. Garnish generously with fresh chopped green onions, which add a lovely fresh bite and color. A small drizzle of sesame oil over each bowl will enhance the aroma and flavor beautifully. Serve the soup immediately while it's wonderfully warm. You can also add a sprinkle of chili flakes if you enjoy a little heat. Enjoy your comforting and flavorful homemade fish fillet soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.